Hello, welcome dear students. It's a study time. Today we are going to study Mathematics Part 1 of Standard 10. Unit number 3, Arithmetic Progression. In this unit, we are going to study subunits sequence, nth term of an arithmetic progression and arithmetic progression. What do you see in above picture? A frog is jumping to catch the insect. Here we can see that there are 5 steps in a single jump of frog. But there is a particular pattern in these steps. Such a pattern is said to be a sequence. So we are going to study what is sequence. Now try to write down the next 3 terms for each of these sequences and describe the rule. 2, 4, 6, 8. What will come next? Think about all above examples and try to write next terms of each one. In first example, we follow the rule of plus 2. Hence, the next 3 terms are 10, 12 and 14. In second example, there is a rule of plus 5. In third one, there is a rule of minus 2. Here, we observe that to find the next terms, there is a sum rule for each above example. Such type of examples are sequences. What will be the proper definition of sequences? A sequence is a list of numbers. There is usually some rule that connects these numbers. The numbers in a sequence are said to be terms. Now consider first example. 3, 7, 11, 15. What will be the next term? We follow the rule of plus 4 and find the next term, that is 15 plus 4 is 19. Consider the following lists of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 100, 70, 40, 10. What will be next? In all above examples, we can easily find the next number by following some rule. Each of the numbers in the list is called a term. In all the lists above, we see that the successive terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms. Such lists are called arithmetic progressions or AP. So, we can define an arithmetic progression as a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number preceding term except the first term. Here, the fixed number is called as the common difference and denoted by the letter D. Remember that it can be positive, negative or 0. Now, let's study an arithmetic progression in detail. What is arithmetic progression? You must have observed that in nature, many things follow a certain pattern, such as the petals of sunflower, the holes of honeybee comb, the grains on a maize cob, the spirals on a pineapple and on a pine cone, etc. We now look for some patterns which occur in our daily life. Consider an example in our daily life. Mohit applied for a job and got selected. He has been offered a job with a starting monthly salary Rs 8,000 with an annual increment of Rs 500 in his salary. His salary for the first, second, third years will be respectively 8,000, 8,500, 9,000 and so on. We have studied terms in arithmetic progression. Let us denote the first term by the letter T1. The second term is denoted by T2 and it is calculated by adding difference D in first term A. That is T2 is equal to A plus D. It is also said to be A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Therefore, T2 is A plus 2 minus 1 into D. The third term will be obtained by using formula T3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Similarly, we can calculate the fourth term by T4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Hence, in general, an arithmetic progression can be written as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, let us consider the situation again in which Mohit applied for a job and been selected. He has been offered a starting monthly salary of Rs 8,000 with an annual increment of Rs 500. What would be his salary for the fifth year? Here we have to find fifth year salary, means we have to find the nth term of an AP. We need some specific formula to find the nth term. Now let us study the formula to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression. Students, now think that how will you find the nth term of an AP? Consider an AP with first term A and the common difference D. Therefore, the first term T1 will be equal to A. The second term will be get by adding the common difference D in first term, that is T2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Similarly, we get T3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. T4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. From this, we can conclude that the nth term can be obtained by adding the product of common difference and previous term in the first term A. So, in general, we can write the formula for nth term of an AP as following. The nth term Tn of an AP A plus D, A plus 2D and so on is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is the first term and D is common difference. By using this formula, we can calculate the nth term of an AP. Let us study an example how to find the nth term of an AP by using formula. Find the 19th term of an AP minus 11, minus 15, minus 19 and so on. Here given AP is minus 11, minus 15, minus 19 and so on. Therefore, the first term, that is A, is equal to minus 11. The common difference D can be found by subtraction of second term and first term, that is T2 minus T1. It means that minus 15 minus into minus 11, that is minus 15 plus 11 is minus 4. The formula to find nth term is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A means first term, n means nth term and D means common difference. Here A in our AP, A is minus 11, n is 19 and D is minus 4. Putting these values in formula, we get T19 is equal to minus 11 plus 19 minus 1 into minus 4. Making calculations, we get minus 11 plus 19 minus 1 is 18 into minus 4. The product of 18 and minus 4 is minus 72. Hence, the next step becomes minus 11 minus 72 and that is minus 83. Hence, 19th term of a given AP is minus 83, which is find out by using the formula. In this video, we have studied what is sequence, what are the terms in a sequence, what is an arithmetic progression, the nth term of an arithmetic progression, how to find the nth term. I hope that you have understood all the concepts clearly. Let's meet in next video. Up to then, goodbye and have a nice time.